74 to 75, 2813 is the difference, and 77 to 78, 500 is the difference. So highest is in, say, 2813. So answer is 1975. So here we want the increase, where the rice import has increased that year. So 1975 will be the answer, not 1974. This was the base year, this is the final year, okay, for the highest increase. Now in exam you don't have time, so you need not go through all these calculations, doing the calculations. Best thing is 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Roughly 3 would be the answer, right? So 1975 would be the answer. The rice import in 1976 was approximately how many times that of the year 1972? So here 1972 was 1811 and 1976 was 5832. So how many times? 18 3s are 54, right? 300%, more than 300%. Suppose if these are the four options given to you: 1.1 times, 2.2 times, 3.3 times and 4.4 times. So what will be the correct answer? See here, 18 3s are 54. So 58 is greater than 54. It will be 3 point something. So 3.3 will be the answer in this case. Okay. So this will be the correct answer, 3.3. Next, the increase in rice import in 1978 was what percent of the import in 1977? Remember, this is a tricky question. The increase in rice import in 1978. So 1978 it's 2500. We don't want this 2500. We want the increase. So how much it has increased? From 2000 to 2500. So it has increased 500. Right? So this is the point we require. So 500 is what percent of import in 1977? That is 2000. So 500 is what percent of 2000? So 500 upon 2000. Remember this, we want the increase. So 500 upon 2000 is 0.25. That is, if you want to convert it to percentage, multiplied by 100, 25%. The rice import in 1974 was approximately what percent of the average import for the given years? See here, you want the average first and then 1974 also. So 4203 is what percent of the average? Average means first you will have to total each one, total, and then divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 8. Okay, then you will be getting the average. What are the imports for 1974? That is 4203, right? What is the average? See here, total all this divided by 8, you get 3655. You will have to do it yourself, do it personally. So what we want, percentage of 4203 in terms of 3655. So 4203 upon 3655 into 100 equals to, this you will have to do it by thumb rule. Roughly check the answers in the exam, 36 and 42. Check that way. 7 5s are 35 and 7 6 are 42. So 6 is what times of 5? Roughly 1.12 means 112. Roughly check the answer which is near 112. It's 115. So tick mark it and move ahead. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you'll learn them within 3 months. These are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.